With Gum Korean American soloist Jessi just made a reappearance. Like she does with every comeback, Jessi offered a fun dancing challenge on TikTok that everyone could participate in. She also called on her TXT buddies Dobby to the watermelon secured for assistance. A video of Yeonjun and Sobin dancing to Gum was shared with her by Jessi. Yeonjun shocked online user by subtly out twerking Jesse. After all, he has a reputation to maintain. He is a dancing expert for girl groups. Even Jesse was taken aback by Jiyon's twerkle abilities. She liked a few comments on Instagram and responded to them. Thank you so much for watching.